So you want to live a healthier lifestyle, but you don't know where to start. Or maybe you feel like your mind is stopping you from enjoying life. Or maybe you feel like you are disconnected from your higher self, from nature, and from the universe. These are three of the biggest, most common problems why people turn to holistic health, because it's all about aligning with nature and being connected to everything. And that way, the more you can do that, the more your body, mind, and soul are going to be in harmony. And naturally, optimal health will result from that. So if you are confused, if you are overwhelmed with all of the information out there, like the first line says, you don't know where to start, then I can help you with that, because my specialty is taking all this information and making it clear, simple, easy to understand, and easy to follow, easy to put into your life. So why is it so hard to change? Let's first ask that question. You are being misled by fads, trends, and miracle cures that don't work for everyone, if they even work at all. You're spending hundreds of dollars on programs and products that don't fix the true cause of poor health and unhappiness. You are overwhelmed by too much information about how to change your life, so you feel stuck and confused. I love to help people with all of these problems. Like I said, I like to make things simple. I like to make things very inexpensive because I don't believe in charging hundreds of dollars for my programs and my products. And I don't deal with miracle cures or fads or trends. So when I say miracle cures, some people claim that certain things will work for everyone, and that is not true. And it also isn't true that a lot of these things are cures, because really these things are good for prevention. So I'm completely honest about those sorts of things. What I talk about are natural things that are free or very inexpensive and have been around since the beginning of time, because you can't really improve on nature. And that's the whole point of healing yourself naturally. So getting to the root cause is very important. Disconnection from nature or our higher selves and the universe causes a cascade of problems. It causes disease, mental illness, and a lack of purpose, just to name a few. So this sounds like a big problem, right? How can we fix this problem? We can align the whole self with nature. Humans make things more complicated than they need to be, and I like to help people figure out, the ways to do this without making it complicated. The answer has been right in front of us all along. Nature. Our bodies, minds, and souls all need to get back to nature, and this is where other health courses fail. Because I've taken a lot of courses on holistic health, but they only focus on the mind-body connection. They don't focus on the spiritual side, but all three of these must be aligned. Returning the body to a natural state without toxins and chemicals, living in alignment with the seasons, cultivating mental health naturally and safely, and establishing a connection with your higher self and the universe. These are all things that this course that I am teaching aims to help you with. So the end result is the authentic you can come out. You can live your best life, being the best version of you that you can be. And that is body, mind, and soul, because you are a whole being. You are all three. And that's the whole reason for me starting my business about holistic health, because I'm kind of obsessed with holisticness. Is that a word? I don't like to focus on just one or even just two of these. All three must be balanced. Watch the full video here where I explain the importance of healing your body, mind, and soul naturally, and why it is so hard for us to make the changes necessary to make this happen. I will see you there.